Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error code 39672690002. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now before trying any troubleshooting step, first of all you can check for any outage or maintenance. You can go to X page of Skate, and if there is any outage they will let you know. So check for any outage. If there is no outage, then you can the first step is to switch to EA app or Steam. So if you have the game on Steam, you can install the game on EA app and then check. If you have the game on EA app, you can install the game to Steam and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to disconnect and reconnect Wi-Fi. Simply disconnect and then connect to your Wi-Fi once again and then check. Still not working. Perform power cycle. To perform power cycle, first of all shut down your computer and then unplug the power cable from the computer, turn off the Wi-Fi router, wait for few seconds, restart your Wi-Fi router, and then connect the power cable back to the computer and then restart your computer, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to verify or repair the game files. Now if you have the game on Steam, make a right click on the game, go to properties, go to install files tab, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the verification is 100% complete, launch the game. If you have the game on EA app, click on manage and then click on repair. And once the repair is done, now you can launch the game and then check. Still not working. The next step is to install the game on SSD. Now this has worked for many players, so you can try to install the game to solid state drive and then check. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to external drive or internal drive. So if the game is installed to like external drive like D drive or E drive or any external drive, try to install the game to C drive and then you can check. If the game is already installed to C drive, in that case you can try to install the game to another SSD and then check. Steam users, if you're moving the game to different drive, verify the game file after you move the games. For example, like you can go to Steam and then go to settings, and I think it's in storage. Yeah. So if you find the game, if you're trying to like move the game, then you can select the drive where you want to move and then move. And once you move it, I'm not moving it. Once you move it, you can make a right click and then you can verify the game files. And after the verification, launch the game. This has also worked for many players. Now the next step is to try Google DNS server. Now for this, you can type in control panel in Windows search box, go to control panel, go to network and internet, go to network and sharing center, click on your connection, your Wi-Fi, and then click on properties over here. And over here, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and then go to properties. Select use the following DNS server address. Now type in 8888 and then for alternate DNS type in 8844 and then click on validate settings upon exit. Click on OK. Close this, close it, and then you have to relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. You can even try this DNS server. Now for this, you can do the same thing. Click on your Wi-Fi, properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, properties, and this time you type in 111 and it's 1001 and then click on validate settings upon exit and then click on OK. Close this and then relaunch the game and then check. Still not working. In that case, if it is not working, in that case you can the next step is to run the game as an administrator, or you can simply switch to default. You can go to properties, and if it is not working, you can select Internet Protocol version 4, properties, and you can select obtain DNS server address automatically and then click on OK. Close it. Follow the next step. Try to launch the game as an administrator. So if you have the game on EA app, click on Manage, Properties, Open Folder, and then make a right click on the game exe file, select Properties, go to this tab, put a check on the box which says Run this program as an administrator, hit Apply. Now you can launch the game and then check. You can even try to launch the game from here. You can even launch the game using this EA anti-cheat game service launcher. Make a right click and then click on Run as administrator. Do the same thing if you have the game on Steam. Manage, browse local files, and then do the same thing. You run this as an administrator. If that does not work, you can even make a right click on this and run as administrator and then check. Still you are receiving the error. The next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you're using Windows security, then open Windows settings, privacy and security, Windows security, and virus and threat protection. Scroll down at the bottom. You will see manage ransomware protection. Click on it. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Add an allowed app, browser apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever the game is installed, and then open the game folder. Select the game exe file. Click on open, and then add this EA anti-cheat game service launcher as well, and then browse all apps installer, EA anti-cheat, select this exe file, and then launch the game and then check. Do the same thing in Windows Firewall. So type in control panel, system and security, Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, click on browse. Again, go to the game installation folder wherever the game is installed, and then select both the exe file. Click on add. In my case, I have already added. Allow another app, browse once again, select the escaped exe file, click on add. In my case, again added, browse, installer, EA anti-cheat, select this exe file, click on open, click on add. Now you can launch the game and then check. If you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, allow the game exe file, all the three exe file to your antivirus program. Switch to different network. So if you have any other network available, you can switch to different network and then you can check. Once you switch to different network, now you can check. If that does not work, use mobile hotspots. So you can turn on the data on your phone, turn on the hotspot on your phone, and then over here you can connect to your phone network. So if you see your phone network over here, connect to your phone network and then check. Next step is to run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow, and then copy and paste all these commands. Run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Run all these commands one by one. Now once you run all these commands, now restart. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, turn off or close VPN. So if you're using VPN, you can turn it off and then close it and then check. Next step is to uncheck IPv6. Check it once you are done playing the game. Now for this you can type in control panel in Windows search box. Go to control panel, system network and internet, network and sharing center. Click on your internet over here and then properties, and over here you can see internet protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. So if this is checked, you can uncheck this box, click on OK, and then you can relaunch the game and then check. Now still not working. In that case, if it's working, then once you're done playing the game, put a check on this TCP IPv6 once again. Now still not working. The next step is to use Ethernet connection. So if your computer has an Ethernet port and if you have an Ethernet cable, you can use the wired connection and then check. Next step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, click on adjust date and time, and then make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, turn it on. Also set time automatically. If this is off, turn it on, and then click on sync now. Sync now is important. And if you receive any error in red color, just click on sync now multiple times. Once you see this tick over here, Now go to time and language, language and region, and make sure your country is selected over here, and then launch the game. Next step is to close daemon tool. So if you have daemon tool running on your computer, you can make a right click at the start menu, go to task manager. If you have this daemon tool running, you can close it. So in my case, I don't have it running. If you find it running, you can simply make a right click, and then you can end the process. This is just an example. I don't have daemon tool. If you find daemon tool, you can end the task over here, and then you can go to device manager, make a right click on the start menu, go to device manager, and expand storage controller. If you see this daemon tools over here, make a right click, and you will see disable device option. In my case, it is already disabled. Now expand this universal serial bus controller also. Make a right click. If you see disable device, disable it from the device manager, relaunch the game. If that does not work, you can uninstall daemon tool and then restart your computer and then launch the game. Later on, when you want to use daemon tool, you can install it again. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.